Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Ghostek SoDrop Pro. Now these are wireless noise canceling headphones. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $145. Now they come in 3 colors, black, pink, or white. Alright, so let's check these out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Ghostek SoDrop Pro. Wireless Bluetooth headphones, active noise cancellation. Alright, so let's go through the features. Let's see, you got HD crystal clear sound, Bluetooth 4.1 technology, connection up to 30 feet, one-step easy pairing, connect up to 2 devices at the same time, active noise cancellation. Now on this side you got soft protein leather cups, folding hinge for storage, multifunctional buttons, built-in HD mic for clear voice calls, LED power and battery level status, 3.5mm auxiliary jack for inline auxiliary cable, active noise cancellation button, and 50mm Mylar drivers pulsate crisp clear sound into your ears. All of that for $150. Let's see what it is. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. We got the thing on deck. Here we go. Rah. Okay. All right, Shoes, we got some more headphones in the building. Here we go. All right, I'm struggling a little bit. Any day now. All right. Okay, so let's see what you get in the box. Okay, you get a nice, let me do the smell test on this. Woo, nice leatherish style carrying case with your Ghostek logo on the front. I like that. Here's your airplane adapter. All right, you're gonna need that. You got 2 sets of cables. All right, one is 3.5 to 3.5, and you got a USB-A to micro USB charging cable, and that's pretty much it. And here goes the headphones. Headphones fresh out of the box, lightweight, nice stretch on these. Let me do the smell test on these cups. Definitely leatherish. Shoes, calm down. Let's see. Oh, this is nice. Look at the top. Ghostek branding. But it's all leatherish. Soft padding in there. Here goes your button. So you got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks. You also got your multifunctional button. Here's your active noise cancellation button. On the bottom, here's your USB charging slot. You got a mic, and there's your 3.5 headphone jack. Mics all over this piece. Let's see now. Let's see how these fold up. Okay, so they do fold up. Shoes, calm down. Shoes trying to sit on the bag. Let's drop them in the bag and see how they look. Oh, check this out. Inside the bag is red. All right, Shoes, I'm about to file you to the side because you're doing the most. This is how they're going to look when you're ready to store them. Just like that. All right, so let's open them back up. Here we go. Shoes, you want to hear these? Let me grab a phone real quick. We'll pair these up and do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves.
I love my white shoes.
All right, so before I pair these up, I want y'all to hear this real quick. I'm going to hold down the power button. Listen to this.
SoDrop on.
Voice prompts.
SoDrop connecting.
With the nice British accent. I like that. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got these all paired up, so now let's test them out. Now, for the pairing process, real simple. Once you power on the headphones, it's automatically going to be in pairing mode. Go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the SoDrop Pro. All right, so let's do a little sound test. Now, let's do a little karaoke while we here. A lot of people have been asking me how come I always sing rap songs. So I got something different for y'all today. Let's take it over to Pompeii. Karaoke in effect. Let me slap these on. Matter of fact, first we'll test them out. All right, y'all hear them? They nice and loud. All right, let me pause that. I'm gonna put them on. Now, putting them on my head, they are comfortable. Definitely lightweight. Here we go, max volume. All right, White Shoes, you ready? Here we go. Here we go. Okay, they definitely loud. All right, y'all, let's go. I was left to my own device. Many days fell away with nothing to show. Let's go, Shoes. And the world's keep tumbling down in the city that we love. Oh, these sound good. Great clouds roll over the hills, bring darkness from above. Let's go. But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? All right. Woo! All right. Let me pause this. Yo, did y'all notice? As soon as I started singing, White Shoes bounced. She wasn't here for the singing voice. All right, so overall, these are definitely loud. Now I'm gonna pause the video again. I'm gonna try a couple of different songs, and I'm gonna take them outside and sit in my loud ass car and try out the active noise cancellation. I'll be back in a minute. All right, y'all, so we back in again. Now I just came back from outside testing these out, and I gotta say this: on a scale of 1 to 10, for $150, these are a definite go. All right, if you're looking for some good active noise canceling headphones and you don't want to spend that Bose or Sony money, these are a good option. Now, as far as the sound quality, these headphones get mad loud. You got a lot of bass, not OD bass like Beats headphones. It's kind of a nice balanced sound, but they are loud. Now, as far as the active noise cancellation, it does work. Again, it's not Bose, it's not Sony, but you're not paying the Bose or Sony prices. This is half the price, and the active noise cancellation does actually work. Now, I was sitting in my loud car. I tried them without the active noise cancellation. These are so loud, I really couldn't hear nothing anyway, but when I turned on the active noise cancellation, it got a little bit more quiet, and you got a little bit more emphasis on the music. So I would definitely recommend these if you don't want to spend that Bose or Sony money. Now, one more thing I wanted to test. Let's try out the phone calls. You see these are still connected. Let me pull up the 24-hour diner. We'll call them up real quick. All right, here we go. Let's call them. Let me throw these on. Nice and quiet. All right, let's get max volume. Yeah, hi. What time you guys close tonight? What time you close tonight? Oh, okay, great. Thanks a lot. All right. Sound plays out of both ears. Definitely loud. I heard the person with no problems. When I said what time you close, he was kind of shocked because it's a 24-hour diner. He was like, what? I said, what time you close? He was like, bro, this is 24 hours. Stop playing on my damn phone. I think they're starting to learn my voice. I need to get a new diner. Anyway, overall, like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, for $150, really $145 plus tax, these are a definite go. It's holiday season. You want to get somebody a nice pair of headphones or for yourself, and you don't want to spend that Bose or Sony money. SoDrop Pros, I recommend these. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready, no meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, won the beam up. Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the bump out. Now this little speaker is going to blow your mind.